Axel's Kitchen. Emily, one of the little big dummies, is behind the camera. And here at Axel's, we are fans of the YouTuber Project Farm. If you're looking to buy a tool or an oil or an additive or a wingding, and he's done a review on it, you should be watching his reviews if you're in the market for something that he's reviewed. Excellent reviews, not sponsored stuff. It's real good. Check him out. And we did. And we were looking for jump packs. And in one of his jump pack review videos, number one was the Noco Boost X GBX 155 that could do a diesel with no big diesel, no battery, right here. And then the GOOLOO GT4000S was his top pick on a moderately priced, say $100 price point jump pack that would use probably for most people 90% of the crap out there. This will work. So what do we get? Well, we had to get the big monster, you know, top of the line, highly rated according to Project Farm, but we had to get this for Amanda's dummy, Mark, because he's a diesel guy, and you know he's a diesel guy because he's got the diesel guy beard. That's a thing. We already gave it to him, so there ain't nothing in the box except the empty box. So we're gonna forget that one, and we're gonna look at the GOOLOO, because this is the one that I bought for the $100 price point that's supposed to do most things, and this is the one that you would normally get. A normal person without a giant diesel beard would get to solve their day-to-day goals. Maybe throw one in the kids' cars, throw one in the wife's car, throw one in your own car even. This is the one. So we're gonna open it up and see what's breaking through the plastic on this GOOLOO. I could show you the specs here if Emily brings that camera in. Nice job, Em. All right, and it says 4,000 amps peak current, 12 liter maximum gas engine capacity, 12 liter, that's pretty damn big, and 10 liter maximum diesel capacity. You know, those diesel numbers are something that people always look at. If you're a diesel guy and you're using one for diesels, like we said, grow the beard and get the more expensive one. This is the $100 one. This is the one that will satisfy most people, and most people can keep something this size in their car without really noticing that it's even there. All right, coming with it is a manual, a pouch, which I actually like the ones that come with a little case rather than the pouch, but for $100 this one comes with a pouch. You got your jumper cable leads, which everything is copper and brass. They're nice leads, nice thick cables. You got a USB-C cable. You have a 12-volt power outlet to USB-C cable. You got a USB to USB-C cable, and then you got a 12-volt socket to one of these doodads. So on the side here, on the controls, what do we have? Well, we have our input for our jumper cables themselves, and then we have a DC out, which would be this one, so that you can plug this guy in here and plug something into here to get power to whatever you're powering. You have a USB out, a regular USB-A, so you could plug in any kind of device you wanted to charge USB-A and have USB power. You also have USB out with a blue read instead of a white read. So the white read is 5 volt, 2.4 amp. The blue read is 5 volt, 9 volt, and 12 volt on the USB out there. And then you have an in and out USB-C. And that's key here, because you can use this USB-C cable. It's a smart cable or a smart unit. So it'll know whether you want power out and you want a power device, or it'll know that you're charging the device, and that's how you charge the device, with the USB-C cable. Now, once this device is fully charged and we have a vehicle with a dead battery, which we do because Barry White has a struggling weak battery in it, if we forget to use it, like we don't use it all the time, And if I forget to hit the automatic start and let it run for 20 minutes every 4 or 5 days, the battery will go dead. And you'll get the rest of this video when that happens. So it only took a day or two from when we unboxed this jump pack, and dead battery in Barry White, like we thought. I don't know. I don't know how many days ago I was using it. I guess it's just time got away from me. Maybe it's 4 days and battery's dead. It's a weak battery, we've known that. And when it sits for a few days, battery's got in a parasitic drain that's not horrible, but it should, a good battery, it should be okay. This battery is weak, so it's really killing it. The parasitic drain is from the automatic start system, believe it or not. When we disconnect that, it completely disappears. It was okay, but it needs a battery soon. Anyway, we have a good opportunity now to test it. So I have it here in an old Milwaukee bag. I got this, like, it's a smaller bag and it fits perfect. So the bag with all the accessories I put in the bottom, and then I just have the jump pack and the jumper cables loose on top, which just makes it much easier. So we're going to take this out and we'll go out to Barry and we'll get back. Of course, it's a snowstorm, you know, never fails. Just to show you here, there's our end. We take this guy here and can only go in one way, and you get it in there and we're good to go. I'm going to take this outside, we'll go to Barry and we'll see how it works. All right, here we are, our first major snowstorm of the year. I don't know, it looks like we've got about 6 inches or so. So here's Barry. We tried to automatic start Barry. The lights came on, but no cranky. So I'm hitting the unlock now. Oh, it's not even locking or unlocking. It's dead. Ooh, that's the plow. Great. These guys come through here like cowboys. Hopefully they don't take out one of the cars. It does happen from time to time. All right, I'm popping. I'm gonna try to get this hood open. There's a lot of snow on it, so I'm gonna put you down for a second. All right, got the hood open. Oh, I know what I gotta do. Because everybody is a skeptic. Key in the ignition. Nothing. There's barely a click. I hear like a relay clicking. It's not the starter clicking. So it is dead. Wow. I'm actually really surprised that it's this dead. Because it usually is just a little dead. All right, so I'm gonna take this GOOLOO. I'm gonna put red on red, black on black. Okay. I didn't even turn it on. I guess you don't have to turn it on when you connect it. It knows. It says 100%. That's the battery in the GOOLOO, and it says ready. Ready means ready to start. So I'm going to go in here. And I got nothing. All right, so let's go back. Maybe we're doing something wrong with the GOOLOO. So all right, now I'm gonna hold the boost button down. Oh, and now ready is steady. Okay, so ready was blinking. Now ready's steady, and my juice in the GOOLOO, maybe it's operator error, is dropping. So now let me go in. Oh yeah, everything just lit up. All right, almost. It started, didn't stay running. Cycle the key. Huh. Wow. There we go. Wow, that was really dead. It took three shots, started each shot. Oh, here comes my wife.
Yeah.
All right, so it started each shot. However, it didn't stay running. Wow. Maybe it's been a long time since I used Barry. I don't know. All right. So I had to use that boost. Let me see if I can turn it off. Yeah, one button turns it off. So like I said, I never actually turned it on. I just connected it. But this was a stone dead battery, and the GOOLOO worked. So now let me put these down there. All right, so I got the GOOLOO in here. This was charged at 100%. So now let me turn it on, and now I'm at 85%. So I used 15%. That was 3 cranks. Well, you know, 3 ignition cycles to get this thing running where it would stay running. The GOOLOO definitely worked. Barry was way dead. Deader than it's been in a long time. That's our review. I'll leave everything in the description below. And the next time we go to use the GOOLOO and we have a camera, we'll bring you along for the ride and let you know how this GOOLOO actually lasts. I think we're going to have good success with it for the price point of about $100 to $120 by the time it gets to your house. I think it's something that you could keep in the kids' cars or the wife's car just for some peace of mind. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and as always, thanks for watching.